Assalamualaikum, hello. We of Group 2 will be presenting about expansion and contraction. Table of contents. Number 1, explanation of them. Number 2, expansion and contraction. Number 3, change of state L. Number 4, Brownian motion. We are Ras. 1, Akbar, Rizki, Fadillah. 2, Ghina Az-Zahra. 3, Rachma, Azkia, Zahra.
Hello, my name is Azkia. I will explanation about particle arrangement and movement. 1. Arrangement of particle. Arrangement of particle in solid is close together and regular pattern. Arrangement of particle in liquid is close together and random arrangement. And the last, arrangement of particle in gases so far apart and random arrangement. 2. Movement of particle. Movement of particle in solid is vibrate on the spot. Movement of particle in liquid move around each other. And the last movement of particle in gases so move quickly in all directions. 3. Diagram. Diagram in solid, liquid, or gases. You can look this picture in your screen. Next, about properties in liquids and gases and why they are like this. Firstly, I will explanation about liquids. Properties in liquids, they flow and take the shape of their container, and they can be compressed or squeezed. Why they are like this? The particles are free to move around each other, and the particles are close together and have no space to move into. Secondly, I will explanation about properties in gases and why they are like this. Properties in gases, they are flow and completely fill their container, and they can be compressed or squeezed. Why they are like this? The particles can move quickly in all directions, and the particles are far apart and have space to move into.
Expansion and contraction in liquids and gases. Expansion of liquids. When the liquid is heated, the molecules have more energy and move more vigorously. The movement of the molecules overcome the forces of attraction between the molecules, allowing them to move freely. Thus, the volume of the liquid increases. In short, when the liquid is heated, the molecules apart from each other just look like the picture. The molecules of liquid when heated is far apart. State changes. Changes of state are: first, solids melting into liquids, for example, ice to water, rocks to lava, and metal to molten liquid. Second, liquids boiling into gases. Third, gases condensing into liquids, for example, water vapor to dew. And last, liquids freezing or solidifying into solids. Expansion and contraction of gases. Expansion of gases. When the gas is heated, the molecules gain more energy and move faster and further apart. This because the volume to increase. Contraction of gases. At a lower temperature, the molecules have moved slower and have less energy. They are closer together, causing the volume to decrease. Some materials expand on heating or some contract on cooling. Heating makes the particles expand or become loose. Cooling makes the particles contract or become tight. What are the basic properties of expansion? First, expansion is clearly related to temperature change. The greater the temperature change, the more a bimetallic strip will bend. Second, it depends on the material. In a thermometer, for example, the expansion of alcohol is much greater than the expansion of the glass containing it.
Brownian motion. Rub it brown in a cube full of small fast-moving particles. Too much large particles appear to move at random as a result of collisions with the smaller particles. Particles in both liquids and gases, collectively called fluids, move randomly. This is called Brownian motion. They do this because they are bombarded by the other moving particles in the fluid. Large particles can be moved by light, fast-moving molecules. Expansion in liquid water expands of heating. 10